cable manage a little bit with electrical tape because we don't have zip ties, unfortunately. In the front, this other red LED one in the back, this Corsair one, probably the top. No, because I already used probably the bottom actually. This Thermaltake one, probably secondary fan for the CPU. So you can see Kyle is doing some basic cable management. I already just a few minutes ago went through the pain and hooking all these front panel connectors up down there, which, if you didn't know, yeah, that's the biggest pain about it. Yeah, so at that point you either have two options. A, you can continue, or B, you can just stop and kill yourself right then. Right. Okay, so, doing some basic cable management, am I right? Yep. Sorry about, I had to switch, camera batteries died, none of them are charged or anything, so, switch over to my phone, I guess. It actually might even be a better camera, I don't know. Probably. Probably is, actually, yeah. We need to really invest in a new camera, but let's take a look at this so far and get a better view at this. As you can see, it's quite clean. It looks better from my side, but yeah. As you can see, I did get that front panel connected. I figured out what screws are right, because there's some special screws that I have, and they're really weird looking. I'm going to go ahead and show you these. Very extremes. But I figured out those were actually for the Cooler Master 212 Evo. Where's that tape? Let's go ahead and take a look. Can you move that real quick? That is the view that you get. It's going to get better. Very clean looking. Very clean. Which I like. Now, did you get everything powered? Except for the DVD drive. And that little hard drive, which you always skip. You won't reach. You know, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. I'm not going to use the laptop drive, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Plus, it looks extremely weird. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and remove the laptop drive because, honestly, I'm not in use of it. Unless I'm really going to need extra storage, which I'm not anytime soon, guys. A terabyte's plenty enough for me.
A terabyte plus the other one.
Yeah.
Which I don't know how many that is.
That's 120, which is enough. Plus, think about it, guys. Windows isn't even held on the terabyte hard drive. So, basically, I'm set. This is what the other side looks like. Okay, guys, so we're pretty much finished up. We just reassembled the fans. We got them in there.
It still doesn't look like the best cable management I've ever seen, but it's a lot better.
Yeah. The front fan in. Yeah. Basically ready to put the side panel and the front back on and go ahead and do a startup.